Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited versus Overland. The Limited trim provides an excellent blend of features and value, making it a popular choice for many drivers. On the other hand, the Overland elevates the experience with more luxurious appointments and advanced off-road capabilities. Both models, however, share the same powerful engine options, ensuring a strong and reliable performance on any journey you undertake. Stepping inside, the Limited trim offers a comfortable cabin with leather-trimmed seats and a user-friendly 10.1-inch touchscreen display. The Overland takes luxury up a notch, featuring premium Napa leather upholstery, ventilated front seats for added comfort, and a panoramic sunroof that brightens the interior. Regardless of your choice, both models provide ample room for passengers and cargo, ensuring a pleasant ride for everyone. When it comes to performance, the Limited trim is equipped with the reliable Quadra-Track 1 four-wheel drive system, perfect for various conditions. The Overland, however, steps up its game with the more advanced Quadra-Track 2 or Quadra-Drive 2 systems, often paired with an adaptive air suspension. This combination provides superior off-road prowess and increased ground clearance, making the Overland a more formidable choice for challenging terrains. Ultimately, choosing between the Limited and Overland depends on your priorities. The Limited offers fantastic value, delivering a well-equipped SUV without the premium price tag. The Overland, while more expensive, justifies its cost with enhanced luxury, advanced technology, and superior off-road capabilities. For those seeking the ultimate Grand Cherokee experience, the Overland is a compelling option. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.